Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we are going to learn about parts of speech. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. Parts of speech are among the first grammar topics we learn when we are in school or when we start our English language learning process. In this video, we will learn about different parts of speech, their definitions, and we will understand their use with the help of examples. In English language, every word is called a part of speech. The role that a word plays in a sentence denotes what part of speech it belongs to. Therefore, parts of speech can be defined as words that perform different roles in a sentence. There are a total of 8 parts of speech. On number 1, we have noun. Nouns are words that are used to name a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, animal like dog, place or country like India, idea or feeling like happiness, and thing like table are all examples of noun. Next up we have pronoun. Pronouns are words that are used to substitute a noun in a sentence. Or in other words, they replaces a noun in a sentence. He is a pronoun that can refer to a boy or man. Next is she can refer to a girl or a woman. Similarly, it, they, you are all pronouns. Next part of speech is verb. Verbs are words that denote an action that is being performed by the noun or the subject in a sentence. They are also called action words. In other words, they expresses an action or state of being. For example, run, jump, is, write, think, these are all examples of verb. Next up we have adjective. Adjectives are words that are used to describe or provide more information about the noun or the subject in a sentence. In other words, they describe or modifies a noun. For example, beautiful, tall, happy, strong. All of these are the example of adjective. The next part of speech in our list is adverb. Adverbs are words that are used to provide more information about verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs used in a sentence. In other words, adverbs are the words that modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. For example, quickly, loudly, very, well. All these are the examples of adverb. Next part of speech in our list is preposition. Prepositions are words that are used to link one part of the sentence to another. Prepositions show the position of the object or subject in a sentence. In other words, prepositions are the words that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word. For example, in, on, under, between, all these are the examples of preposition. Let us take an example of a sentence. The book is on the table. Here, on is the preposition that is showing the relationship between the book and the table. Next part of speech is conjunction. Conjunctions are a part of speech that is used to connect two different parts of a sentence, phrases, or clauses. In other words, they connect words, phrases, or clauses. For example, and, but, or, because, although. All these are the examples of conjunction. Let us understand this with the help of example. Ram and Shyam had come to my birthday party. Here, and is the conjunction. Lastly, the interjections. These are the words that are used to convey strong emotions or feelings. For example, wow, ouch, hooray, alas, all these are the examples of interjection. Let us use one of these words in a sentence. Wow, what a beautiful girl. Here, wow is the interjection.